Hey, welcome to this installation video where I'm going to walk you through on how to install and set up your app, Dovetail Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install, then you click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you are done with your installation, reload the page and you search for the custom page of the app. This interface is going to pop up with all its necessary credentials such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here with the app. We have the tutorial, smart queue video, and the configuration walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this specific app. Click on Start Setup and you will be required an API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Click on your main menu. Scroll down and click on Settings. Scroll down again and you click on your personal API. You give a sample name. Then you click on the drop down here to choose for how long you want your API key to last. Let's take 60 days. Then click on Create the key, copy the key, head back to your account, and you paste. Click on Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And we have the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.